this is Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Cost 6,695 crores till now, and still it is a parking lot. And this is bullet train, which is yet to be operational in India, which has promised to cut the travel time between Mumbai and Pune to 48 minutes. So in this video, we will see which is more beneficial overall, building roads or railways. India has overall 7,500 kilometers of train network, which include normal train tracks and urban transport like metros and local networks. India has overall 6.6 to 6.7 million kilometers of road networks, which include expressways, national highways, state highways, and rural and district roads. To deep dive into our road versus rail debate, we will take several factors into considerations and then give points to road and rail and then decide who will win. Let's consider our first point, the construction cost of 1 kilometer of 12-lane expressway, 1 kilometer of railway track and 1 kilometer of bullet train project. Expressway cost 25 to 50 crores, railway cost 10 to 25 crores and bullet train cost 200 to 300 crores per kilometer of construction cost. So point to the normal train. Now let's consider how much time it takes to travel 100 kilometer on these three options. Expressway 60 to 75 minutes with mild traffic and more if there is high congestion. Normal train 75 to 100 minutes considering all the stoppages. Bullet train it takes only 20 to 30 minutes. So point to the bullet train. Now what is the overall maintenance cost of roads, rails and bullet train? Roads cost 0.5 to 1 crore per kilometer per year, not including individual vehicle maintenance cost and their fuel cost. In normal rails, it is 2 to 3 crores for signal maintenance, electricity maintenance, track maintenance, etc. In construction, bullet train have highest, roads have higher and normal train have high. In terms of operating emission, bullet train has lowest, expressway has very high and trains have low. In terms of land use, expressway has highest, train has low, bullet train has also low. Efficiency per passenger, expressway is worst, train is very high and bullet train is highest, but only if bullet train is used at its full capacity. So point to the normal train here. Now what about freight cost per 100 kilometer per ton? For road it is 300 to 400 rupees. For train it is 100 to 120 rupees. For bullet train it is only used for the passenger purposes because cost is very high, up to 800 to 1000 rupees per ton. So point to the normal trains. So if we consider all these factors, normal train wins here. Now let's come to the reality. Because in normal world it is not easy as it seems. We need to balance all modes of transportation. If you take my honest opinion, I will divide overall based on the basis of travels in kilometers and the places you are traveling in. For urban transit and 10 to 20 kilometer of distances, metros are the best options. For last mile connectivity in the rural areas, roads are the best for travel between the two cities. For approx distances of 100 to 200 kilometers, trains are the best options. For distances more than 200 kilometers, bullet trains are overall best. So that's it for today. Comment down what are your thoughts on this debate. Signing off, Polito Surgeon this side. Like, share and subscribe.